Hey everyone, so you want to remove facial verification from your Binance account? Let me show you exactly how to do that. All right, first open the Binance app on your Android phone. You'll land on the homepage. Look at the top left corner and tap on the Binance logo icon. This opens up your main dashboard menu. Now, either look at the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon, that's your settings, tap on that, or tap on your user that is displayed. You're now in the Account Center. Look for the Security tab and tap on that. This shows you all your security and verification settings. Now here's where facial verification lives. Scroll down until you see Passkeys and Biometrics and tap on that. In this section, you'll see passkey options. Tap on that and it'll take you to the biometric authentication settings. Okay, so here's the thing. Biometric authentication includes both facial recognition and fingerprint. They're grouped together in Binance. Look for the facial verification or face recognition option. You'll see a trash icon. Just tap that to turn it off. Tap on continue if prompted. Once it's off, that's it. Facial verification is now disabled on your Binance account. You won't need to use face recognition to log in or verify transactions anymore. Keep in mind, though, you'll still need some other form of authentication, whether that's your password, fingerprint, or SMS code. Binance requires at least one security method. And that's it. Super simple way to remove facial verification from Binance.